don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, peeps. Yeah, I don't know, it's a man, Holy Fire 777. So, reach home early this evening and decide, say, I go roast some breadfruit. Roast one breadfruit and roast some fish that I haven't done in a long time. And probably fly my drone go over there so because a long time I don't see my neighbor them. And so like up a new one of them over there. So new subscriber them to the channel, those are my neighbors. Those are my neighbors. Yeah, then you go on there. Yeah, we have turtle too. Whole heap of turtle over there too. But there's so much of them. Whole heap of them peeps. See water gone all the way down. See them right around. There's a peeps, turtle them right around it. See if I can see it, but turtle them. Those are turtles. See them there? Right around it you have turtles. So on the side of the coconut tree. Yeah. Yes peeps, so right about now, I go quick and fast and look about catch a fire I should say. Yeah. I have a half bag of coal left from when for a long time. So long time I you know set up a coal fire runner so. You see my coal fire or my settings yeah. Yeah. And then piece of iron I normally use to roast. Not piece of iron. It's not kind of piece of iron. I actually make it out of the stove, the old gas stove. The what you call it, the grill I should say. The grill. One plastic to run. The plastic I'm gonna use to catch the fire. And put up my phone. Go up, put out the stand properly. Yeah. And hopefully now you hear me clearly. Let me see. Yes, so I have new mic now, so mic's supposed to work well. Yeah. Now if I put it that close to me, like me normally do, cause no, I can see what I go on. So, for a couple of months now, water did come around here so. And thing, I no roast no breadfruit nor no fish. So, I gotta do it here now. Do it, I gotta do it. And I gotta do it, make everybody see it. Yeah. So, yeah, now dash out the cola now, peeps. So I think I have some coconut ox runner so. And things so. Normally, as Jamaicans, we normally use them here. So I'm gonna use it, try and go. So the fire catch up quick. Because I always do it wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna try and go. So the coal catch up quick. Because the coal, yeah, normally I always get trouble if I catch. So I think I'm gonna do it like this time. I always say that coal look like cow poo. This coal look like cow poo. Yeah. So I'm gonna do it like this. Quick and fast. I don't really like coal for my hand, so you know. Like throat. Me no really like a coal for my hand. Yeah. I try to catch up a fire quick and fast, peeps. And then put on the breadfruit and go season up the fish and put in a file paper. Yeah. think this is enough. I may have all piece of plastic and paper bag. I'm gonna get my food in and use it to try to catch fire quicker. So now I'm gonna tear off this off of the coconut tree also. And back here, I'm gonna see it. So if you're not in Jamaica, you're not a Jamaican, you understand what I go. I normally tear off it. They may fight. They may catch fire quick too. Ugh. Never carry my shade out, you know. At the same time, you have to be careful because I'm going in your eye. Something on fight, you're going in your eye. Then trunks, you know, peeps, they're not so easy to tear. I mean, now, always I move fast, always in a ace. And then say ace make waste. That's what they say. The Jamaicans say ace make waste, too much ace make waste. Zoom out back. Yeah. Too much ace make waste. Too much wahala. So, let me see now. I'll go put some of this in the middle. You know the middle now. You know the middle. Put some of this in the middle and catch it. And the breeze that blow so hard, peeps. You know if it's how this will catch quick. God, the breeze that blow so hard, so very hard. Let me do with the plastic paper bag. What did I do with the paper? Oh, the paper bag. The breeze that blow hard, peeps. We don't know the light here. I will take longer for light. Okay, I get it light. Yeah, I get it to light. And that's the good thing. Now one I think, peeps, when I catch a fire here, normally it smokes you up and then all you hear is smell of smoke and it takes a couple of days to come out. Trust me. Even after your body, the smoke take a couple of days to come off down to your body. What I don't like with. But if I use coal alone, you know, the problem there. But once you use other things like wood and stuff in it, yeah, I got have the problem there. Yeah, I got have the problem there. Yeah. Whoa. So now, peeps, I'm show now. I'm gonna do. So when I cut coconut, I normally walk. I normally throw them here close to the yard, like them here. Them here. So them here help blaze the fire. The fire catch quick. So here's them here. Coconut, we call it coconut ox. Not coconut ox, or coconut shell. This is the shell, and this is the ox. Yeah. So normally not dash them here far, because in times like these, they come in very, very handy. Yeah. So once it's a Caribbean yard, I go find one of them at night. Yeah. The coal, yeah, as I say, it not so catch so easy. Especially if you're in a hurry. It not catch so quick. But today it gonna catch quick. Come there's a dash fire upon it without warning. Me just a dash fire upon it. I'm not itching. Yeah, good thing is smoke a blow go so. Let me see if I can find nothing else to put in it. What else I can find? Think I can look for some more ox or no so. Hey, stop that. Get a room. Get a room, sir. I don't know why you cockado. You cockado a cock do. Cockadoogle doogle do. Cockadoogle doogle do. If you're Jamaican, understand. If you're a Jamaican, I understand. Put it in a comment. The cock a doogle doogle do. Oh boy. That's a good one, don't? Never hear that one there before. The cock a doogle doogle do. Might as well, me just put on the breadfruit peeps, not true? And just use this alone, just breadfruit. Because, but cola okay still, as I say. This can really roast fish, you know. Cola for roast fish, because if this is eaten on a fish will burn up quick. The fish will burn up. The fish will burn up. If we get burn up, I go get burn up. Yes, peeps, it's been a while. Couple months now since I did this. And normally, breadfruit roast like this. I don't like breadfruit roast in a stove. I like breadfruit roast out a door like this. It's nicer. Somehow there's a big difference. The woods, the smoke and thing give food a different flavor. Not sure. Yes, so that is it, peeps. So we can go for breadfruit now. Make we go in the kitchen for the brochet. And then we season up the fish. Stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps. Me get the brochet. See the brochet, yeah? So when you roast breadfruit, this is how we do it in Jamaica. I'm here. I'm here frightening them, but it's sitting on my back. You use the knife and dig out the heart. We call in here, so the heart. So you dig out the heart. And guess what, peeps? A yellow heart, you know, peeps. Look, who know, Jamaica know yellow heart, see there? Yellow heart, breadfruit. On the stem, see there? Yellow heart. This is yellow heart. So you can answer me. Yeah, where I can answer me. Yeah. Yeah, man, this is a yellow heart breadfruit. So, stick the knife in it like that and make a X, like, yeah. One right through it, right up here, so. So, when I roast the breadfruit now, it soak. The heat go right through the breadfruit and it roasts. Some people just mark one little X or so, but by right, if you bore like that, some people just mark one little X. Yeah, but I want it to roast, which is a yellow heart this, so that roast quick and easy. The tree fire get mad now. I'm going to just put it in it. So I put it on it down there, so. Yeah, first. Yeah. So now I'm going to throw more coal in it. So it actually may have coal. Probably take about them coal when because normally I left the coal when I'm done. I take up them coal because I use a whole heap of coal. And which is, you know, I don't really need much for fish. But I just want the breadfruit for roast. Quick and fast. So we're going to the kitchen now. I'll season the fish. Yeah. That is it, peeps. So that is my brochet. You see that side there now? You see it look so? That's a bee's sting. It's a bee's sting up here. Like that. Yeah, so this one now when it roasts, I have to cut out that side there. I have to cut out that part. They call it bee's sting. You see the peeps? This is the Caribbean. So if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. One fire, all fire. Love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. And see, real Caribbean life. With the right underneath one, coconut tree. And jelly tree rather. After the jelly upon it, see? Jelly. Yeah? Iguana? I'm gonna love to roast on iguana. You said I eat him if I roast him? Eh? Why? They say iguana go the cure, make you not have heart attack and all of them sitting there. You didn't know that?
Just to be a lizard.
Huh? No man, there's a lot of meat. Think about it. You don't have to buy meat for a good while. You just buy rice and flour.
Get them certain along with it.
No, yeah, even that. That's free meat. You see?
Nice food bees that too.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you. Yeah.
But why iguana is not, you see chicken eat everything, you know.
Exactly.
But you see iguana, you see sometimes they might eat other food.
Yeah.
But you see to most of them it's just vegetarian.
Yeah, exactly. Iguana that's how eat bush. Yeah. There's sometimes when they're on human and human chew other stuff, give them they will eat it. But a bush they eat.
But most of the time you really see them.
Yeah, because even the fowl them eat lizard and so.
Yeah,
The small lizard and so and shit or anything. But
anything.
even iguana them know that's bush they eat.
Yeah, I'm telling you. But
Look on that. The other day that grew up good enough. And you see them eat off back again.
yeah.
You leave them, they stay good for that. Fresh.
And that stuff is good.
And that's good.
So see when I go to their body.
Yeah.
Then, yeah.
When them again, I'll figure it in you. Noni.
Yeah.
See, donkey iguana they know say noni good, so they eat off the noni leaf.
They eat that so that, but that means the body is good, you know.
Yeah, exactly. They might eat medicine.
It's just true. You see, known as like a lizard.
But-
It's just, you know,
But no people eat it.
oh, yeah.
Trinidadian eat it. Honduras, Colombian, some Colombian, Filipino. None of them eat it.
It's just true that you know it's a lizard. You know?
Yeah.
Probably that is everyone cook now and I don't know that.
Yeah. You may say it tastes like chicken.
Yeah, but
Just that the bone is smaller.
yeah. You see, it's just true when I think about being a lizard. It's like
Yeah, it's a lizard. A lizard thing. Yeah, well, it looks nice. Yeah, man, you need to try it one at a time. Probably you might like it. Yeah, you're saving it for hard time. Okay. Yeah, that peeps. Steve said I'm not try the iguana. No, I'm going to save it for hard times. So yes, peeps, now we are going to season up some fish. Yeah. Yes, peeps, I'm going to season up the fish now. Quick and fast. You see the peeps? Barracuda. Yeah, so it thawed out already. Just I need a little bit of cleaning up. And then season it up. Yeah. Just a little bit of cleaning up. And then seasoning up. Yeah, and then we're good to go. Wow. So this was well frozen from I buy it Sunday morning. I buy barracuda. And today Thursday. Just so I get to eat some of it, peeps. Just so I get to eat some of it. So I get some okra and thing. I don't know if I should beg you buy one file paper, you know, Steve. I don't know if I should beg you buy one file paper. The file look like you don't come out now. So look.
you need to take the have a duty with it.
I don't really but heavy duty, but apparently,
If you weigh around the fish in it,
yeah.
I gotta have a duty with. See, they have a duty with. It's good because it's thick.
Okay.
I don't know, like whenever you tear up, you blue one, you just do some stuff to it.
Yeah, can't me change. Come now, you don't give back change, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I'm tell long enough, Steve. Come on. Yeah. And change. Steve don't really care about change, you know, peeps. You tell us say, one only per four, you know. But that's Steve still. So yes, peeps. stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Yeah, season this fish. Thing I like. I hate to see. And then wash clean stuff in the sink and stuff leaving it. I hate it. And I always not clean out the sink properly. Yes, peeps, so stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, back again. So, I have over here, so I have some pumpkin. I got some pumpkin, so yeah, I'll just clean out everything else. Some pumpkin. So because at this I put the pumpkin pan, I go peel the pumpkin. Normally I don't peel pumpkin, I use pumpkin. But because the skin tough, and I need it so tough. Same time I have to remember the breadfruit out the door and I make it burn up. So now, I'm going to cut up the pumpkin and I go do a grate it. I'm going to grate the pumpkin. I'm going to grate the pumpkin, peeps. Quick and fast. And my barracuda fish will could steam quick and thing. So this is supposed to take all of our time. Look about. So as I say, because I roast the fish, and I'm going to really cut up the pumpkin. And I grate it so it cook out quicker. Can't take up too much now. No. Not really. Not really. Not really, peeps. Quick and fast. That is it. Alright. Thing is, when I use grater, you have to be careful. Yes, I'm going to wash the grater, but I just like wash out some of it first. Alright. Now, I have Maggi pumpkin noodle. So because when I need the noodle part, I strain it. When I need the noodle part, I strain it. That's your seasoning I use. Because I like the flavor. I like the flavor. So when I want the other, so I'm just strain it. I'm just strain it, peeps. And then I have one seasoning so. I buy things even now in Jamaican store. What name? Tell her what name, peeps. The name Spur Tree Jamaican Jerk Season. Yeah. Let me see. You know, say hot and spicy or nothing tasty. No, taste barely taste of pepper. Because I don't want it too hot because enough time I cook and I can't eat it. Look, especially fish. I did that a lot of times. Because it's too hot. And right here I eat food and can't eat it. Because it's too hot. You know, straight like this. That's enough. And then now, I go use this as sweet pepper. So I'll use sweet pepper now and cut up a fine. And when you look about fish, one thing you are going to see is flies. You are going to see flies. No matter if the sweet pepper even cook properly because sweet pepper can't eat raw. Sweet pepper can't eat raw. See me have onion. Use half a onion because them onion are big. They are humongous. They are humongous. Shooks. Barely miss the finger, peeps. Miss the finger by a barely miss the finger. Yeah. That already look like whole heap. Too much sitting in it already. Yeah. But the bag now become garbage. Oh, see now once you got the pepper in it. I'm tempted to use all of the pepper here. Really tempted. But me know. So if me use all of it, trouble I got there. So I'm gonna try my best not to use all of it. You know what trouble on this now, peeps? So I cut the pepper here now. And like how I'm cutting up the pepper, and then we gonna make a mistake. Even and go to the toilet now. And go get a pea. Trouble there. There's no trouble there. Let's use pea smart. And practically that's shares. I need no more. And this hottest part of pepper is seed. You don't make pepper sauce, normally blend out the seed. Okay. I think that's enough. I'm not use the one. I'm not going to use the one. Oh, I may have some okra. Can't leave out the okra. Okra in a back. You know, baby if you born. No? Somebody's daughter will get pregnant. Somebody's daughter gonna get impregnated, I tell you. Yeah. Okay. I'm fat but they're young still. Supermarket make it them one here. But actually it's not too old. Them feel how many things that they're old but they're actually young. They're actually young. So this now, yeah. To look on this now, peeps. Smell the pepper already. Look at this now. So after this now, I'm gonna use my hand and season it up. Cause I don't like snapper where you have no something there in it. Because whatever you season up, whether meat or fish, and you use your hand, you season get into it better when you use your hand. And with this now, because I'm not going to use any butter, because me no use butter, I don't bombard, peeps. One thing I forgot, jeez, peeps. Peeps, what I go on? No, if you remember me, peeps. Remember me. If you remind me. Must have been just breadfruit. Breadfruit and a back carbon up. Jeez, peeps. Remember me. To me roast breadfruit, peeps. When I did that watch the video and I remember some roast breadfruit, peeps. On the stay so. Eh? My grandfather used to do that, peeps. Yeah. On the stay so I did that watch the video and I remember me say I have breadfruit on the fire roast. Like seriously, peeps, I can't believe when I watch the video and I remember say, I have breadfruit on the fire roast, remind me. Jeez, peeps. No, sir. No, sir, I saw no stay bad. You say get it now, Steve? I say heavy duty one? Huh. This the light, Steve. Steve, how much you pay for this? $2?
No, $4.75.
$4.75. So I give me $5 and I give you $2, Steve.
I bought it quick.
Yeah? No, I give him back some of my change and say I give it $10. And take $5, Steve. That's a lot.
$3.
Alright, I'm still to give back the lot time.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, Steve.
Look at, listen to me now.
Mhm.
See this thing on there?
Yeah.
I went my first one,
Mm-hmm.
and my first scholarship for $5.75.
Mm.
Because this part of the money and she got it for $3.75.
Okay, okay. What you say? We shop around.
See, you know.
Yeah.
Marcus, look at it. You see here? I went to look. One pack of Scoobies like this, yeah?
Yeah.
$18, you know.
Mm.
It cost about like $6 on that, you know. It's bumper class. And I'm there, look at another thing about Marcus.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
check that expiry date.
Okay.
Because you see, Foster's be sure that they take the expiry thing off, you know.
Yeah.
But Marcus,
Mm-hmm.
when I come to go and I bought some in,
Yeah.
you expire for what, 6 months, and I carry it back to them.
Yeah.
But they won't take them off the shelf. You look at the side.
Yeah.
If you go there and you find them in the supermarket, that's expired. You see
Yeah.
when they bring that back, they sue you, they get millions of dollars for that.
That's true.
I'm telling you.
Yeah. So yes, peeps.
But it's a dangerous thing. Because
Put a little bit of oil in there. Yeah. Put a little bit of oil in there because when I use no butter, yeah, just a little bit of oil on the season. Kind of butter now going on it, peeps. And this is coconut oil. This is simple natural coconut oil. So just a little bit of the coconut oil. Yes, because no butter will go in there. I ain't putting no butter in there. I tell you. Let me talk like Steve. No, I don't understand what Steve is saying, but I saw a lot of Caymanians. Be careful, listen carefully to what they're saying in order to hear them. Yes, actually, I've never tried roast this yet. First time I roast this, never roast it yet. I just want to see how it will turn out. It will turn out good, so you know it's a whole fire. One fire, so that's a meal. That's a meal. Deal. Even though I would decide how I go fold it, but then I just put in it without me. They decide how I go fold it. So I'm gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna do it like that if I want. I can throw more in I go. And show more seasoning if I want. That's enough. That's good enough. But that's too thin. So as the fire hit that, that'll go burst. Look like a fire could have do, but better safe than sorry. I'm gonna do this again. Fire again. So, also. I think that's so. Okay, no. The other way. Was the other way. Alright. So do it like so, and then I do so, and do so. Oh, smoke. And I do so. Yes, peeps. So that's one down, one to go. One down, one to go. Yeah, file barely do peeps. We have to buy none still, but you know, I go waste. The other one I go waste still. But I'm never sure if it was enough. I wasn't sure if it was enough. So this is like 2 meals. So we can have dinner and breakfast. This is the thing about preparing food at home, you know. You get more than one sharings. But when you buy food on the road, sometimes it not even tastes good. But when we buy food from where they sell, we shop I buy food at Welly's, tastes good still. Chef they look like he loving job. But why do I go somewhere else to buy? I went somewhere else and the fish was salt, literally salt. Because a lot of people don't know, say, you know, when you're seasoning up fish or meat, you don't, one thing you do, I think it's a fly, you know, but I not fly. I'm season a pimento seed that I season. Yeah, one thing you don't do when you season up fish or meat, you don't put salt on it. Because the season already contains salt. And if you do, you must mix up the salt and the season together. So you taste the season first. The amount you're going to put on it if enough meat to say if it's salt. Because when you add salt to it, it will go salt. Just like soup, when you cook soup and you're going to use noodle. You don't put salt in the pot. After you put the noodle, then you add the salt to the pot. If you need salt. But you put the noodle first and see if it's okay. And sometimes it's even better if food fresh more than salt. When it's fresh, you can always add a little bit of salt to it. But when it's salt, ain't nothing you can do about it if you get back fresh. Well, if a soup still have a hard of water, yeah, but better if fresh more than salt. So this is it, peeps. So I'm looking at that oven here now, yeah. Oh, me this smart, man. Me this smart, peeps. I took back out. Come here, so I did the grill, but remember, say, come in and say, I left the grill on the top. I thought I left it on the back, but I left it on there. So I'm going to wash off the grill, yeah? And yes, peeps. So I am going to wash off the grill and then I put on the fish. Same time, no itching. No itching, peeps. You see it now? Breadfruit, I go on with itself. Time I come around here now and the stand, camera stand, phone stand drop. And when I use, I said the mic, I use the last time break. If the phone stand drop on it and break it. So I'm still going a little bit more cold than this. Breadfruit I go roast quick as I said because of yellow heart. See so peeps? Because the breeze blow so hard and when I throw in the fire, it catch up quick. The coal catch up quick and easy. So easy. Normally I would fight with it. But I do it just right this time. Because I always season the fish first before I come catch a stove, but I catch a coal, but I do it the right way this time. I make it stay for last. I do it first, I should say. So now I know say it don't need to go a little bit lower. Anyway, I put like a breadfruit, go and do it thing. When I come around now with the grill, I have to go make the fire, make it the stone them a little bit lower. I don't know I'm gonna do that, but I have to do it. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Wash off the grill, I get some soap and wash off it. Don't go away. So yes, peeps. Back runner back again. Yeah, they run again, let me see. Everything mucho. So now I have the grill, but the grill is a little bit too high, as I say, because the block here too big. So I'm gonna move the block here, use a stone there. Like that. And then I'm gonna spread the fire a bit. The breadfruit, spread the fire a bit. And the breadfruit can go sideways too. Yeah, like that. Listen, oh, I can feel the heat. Let me see, still want to go a little bit lower. Let me see one side. Let me see, this side lower. This eye, this black eye. So one eye, big black them. Let's see, so I'm black around us a lot. The color? Yeah, this is better to use. Yeah. Oh, holy smoke! I am so crazy. You gotta take up a hot block. Holy shoot. Yes, peeps. So that is it. Yeah. So now, stone a little bit too low. And the breadfruit. Why, peeps? The bun, better you get the bun more than bun. Even though you can't avoid bun. If you're afraid of bun, you will get bun. If you know, you know. So now, put this fish in there. Yes, sir. And then go on. Roast. Yeah. I'm sure I put a little bit more coal. I put a little bit more coal, peeps, because. Holy shit. Ugh. Oh no. Peeps, look at my mic. That I just bought. Holy smoke. Let's open a mash up. Because it might drop and then it's a little part here. You have a little thing for the phone because the iPhone 13, number 13, 14. So I get two of them still. One can fit 15 and one can fit. So yeah, so in totally lost. So what am I gonna do? I'm see now. I turn off it and turn on the back. Everything will come on. Turn on the back now. See everything will come on. And it's a DJI mic, you know, peeps. And then mic here, not cheap. It not cheap at all. So, but it seems to be working, but I don't understand. I don't understand. No, it's not connecting to the phone. So automatically the recorded with that store in this. Whoa. But still can use the same because the audio can store on this also. But I like use it so. Holy smoke, what am I gonna do now? Oh boy. Oh boy. What am I gonna do now? Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. So, and I spend money buying my gadgets. I'm out for them, but I might fall still because the breeze a blow hard. And before, alright, the breeze a blow hard. I'm gonna have a stand, and before me, like have it short, I have it all the way up, like that. So that's too tall, so that make it. So if it is shorter now, the breeze wouldn't blow it down. That's how I should have it, coming there close to it. But now, I'm not gonna do that again unless I'm inside the house. I might have it tall. I'm gonna make sure so every time I have it tall, I'm close to it. I just drop on this and work out the box cover. So I look for a little part, you know, look like a charger, like this thing here, and I can slide out like that. So it can slide out, see like that, and it slide in the other one in it. But the other one can fit just the iPhone 15, but then the iPhone 15 on my personal phone I use. So I don't know this can fix. Well, and the part where come out where broke out. I'm looking on the ground but I don't see it. Well, anyhow, peeps, this video must go on, even though I got have it in my head because I just buy this in a mash up completely yet. In a mash up. I still feel away. Because that's 300 US. 300 US. But in a mash up yet, as I said, still can use. So, let's see how it goes. Part of life. You win some, you lose some. Anyway, people, stick and stay. As I say, fish there upon the fire. And fire there. Fire go on with itself. So what call me now. You know all the phone, all the friend pray. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Good evening. No, I'm not here. I'm not in here. Okay, okay, okay. No, no, no. I didn't see. No, I didn't see any match. You know, I saw your message. I completely forget to reply. Honestly, I was extremely busy. Yeah, yeah, but I didn't. No, because the mats normally, I would. It's a plastic mats or the cloth mats. No, because I was saying because I don't normally take them out and put them away. I normally vacuum and put it back same time. I'm not the kind of guy that put them down and go after. So I don't normally do that because people tend to do that and actually then tell you leave it on the vehicle top or leave it on the ground. So I normally vacuum, put back the mat same time. So I don't know how. So all four mats are missing. Oh, that's weird. And normally, if there was any on the ground, even when I come back with a vehicle, I would have seen it. Yeah. You took it to the other spot after me? What? Okay, okay. Okay, no, well, I didn't, no, I don't see any mats on the ground. I don't recall taking out the mat. Okay, okay. Oh. No, no, no. I normally put back the mats. I don't leave them on the ground, yeah. Alright. Okay, yeah. Now I have to deal with some people, you see. This lady asked me to leave her mats then. Vacuum her vehicle. Normally I vacuum vehicle, put back the mats in. But she took it somewhere. After me do it 2 weeks after, she took it somewhere else. And now she is realizing that her mats are missing. And then she calling me asking me about mats. Imagine that. And over a month now I did her car. And she took it 2 weeks after I did it somewhere else to a car wash. Because some of them cheap, they're not like here, so they go to cheaper places. And then she called me after she brings it somewhere else, asking me about mats. So she go where she bring it, you know, and the mats are not there, so she asks me, you know, because me do it first. People crazy. Real crazy peeps. I know not even, it's not even the time to call me and ask about mat neither. You know, peeps, today I roast breadfruit and fish. Yeah. So, let me turn the breadfruit again. Can't make the breadfruit burn up because of yellow heart still. So you use it for roast, peeps. So we're now gonna make the breadfruit burn up. Now gonna make the breadfruit burn up, peeps. Yeah. And peeps, but you know what I might do? I think I might use the iPhone 15 to record and use it. What you know I'm gonna do? Another case that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a personal phone and switch the chip around. Maybe I'm gonna do that. Because the good thing about iPhone is everything, if you have two iPhones, everything you have on one, if you do it like that, everything on one is on the other one, so you don't miss nothing. But I kind of really mess up my meds now still. The fact that little thing there, and I just want to load instead of the box. But, and even if I had one now, I not get it now. But today our date. Today is like, today the 12th. Today is the 12th. I get in a week and a half. Yeah, I could get it. But that's a small item to. I never know. You guys are so lucky when I live in America. You can get same day delivery. Same day delivery. And I forgot to. Oh, the mic can connect via Bluetooth to the phone also. So I don't necessarily need that neither. Anyway, stick and see if you connect your mic. Yes, peeps. So hopefully I'm getting sound from this now. Otherwise, I go vice over back. Yes, peeps, I have to learn to improvise. So, I might up and running same way. Apparently, it works same way. Just that, this phone is my personal phone, so I don't know how to manage it, but I can manage anyhow. Breadfruit look like a roast. Bread look like a roast now, peeps. That look bad if you breadfruit and roast. And a yellow heart, I'm in a road. Because you really can't roast breadfruit in a roast yellow heart, peeps. I'm put here so. Make sure it's not drop again this time. Let me see. Yeah. Can't trust him with the ball this time. I would surely cry. Put it lower this time, peeps. But the breeze that blow real hard still enough, so that one I think too. Like the breeze that blow hard. Extremely hard. I drop back. I'm sure it's set up. So this is how it's set up. I want to see how it's set up still. I'm sure now. So this is how it's set up. Yeah. So when it fell a while ago, it fell and this drop out. So this drop out, drop on this and drop out tight. That's my two hands. So it's all out. Like this. Yeah. Breeze that blow hard still, no peeps. The breeze that blow hard still. I have to put the light down here so. Yeah, trust me. Yes, peeps, the breeze is blowing so hard. I'm afraid. Let me talk a while ago and not even a record. Yeah, people say breeze a blow hard, peeps. I don't know where shall I put this. I don't know where shall I put this because the breeze is blowing so hard, so very hard. Yeah. Probably more put the fish down lower. Our time now. It's like almost 5 o'clock. I'm not done yet. I feel like I put the fish down lower, please. A smaller stone in the middle and then rest the grill on it. This put the flat stone in the middle and put the grill on it. Yeah. Take too long. Steam roast is still not good. Put them forward and put me in the breadfruit and them fall like crazy in a piece. So we try eat my breadfruit. So yes, Stace, we don't want to fly a drone a little bit, but I'm sure I'm going to fly a drone before night come down. So anyhow, I'm going to wash up some plate in the kitchen. See the record. Is the record? That tape? Yeah, that tape. You know, all the fire on a rape. Yeah. Tape trouble naive, you know, but get over that. And figure something out. Or for work it. Because I can't work it that this a phone. Use a record. So I work out something. So anyhow, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps. I'm gonna pan it. It's a breadfruit roast now. Yeah, I took off the case off my phone. Apparently it fit better without the case. But I really want to use the phone here with the record, but not to use it. Don't complain. Sure. Yeah. Put it low, low, low. Yeah. That is it. Put it low, 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 low. Then now. Yeah, I did the right thing by putting it this low because it wasn't getting enough heat. Supposed to I'm going to fly a drone, but I ain't got the time to fly the drone. I'm going to fly a drone in about nearly a month now. Yeah, can't do it. Take too much of my time now. I can't do it. Just can't do it. Couple more minutes. I never roast a fish here yet. And normally, this could be sweet or this or brown stew it or so. Make sure I say that the first time we do it good. No one put my knife cold. Just touch the plate and my fingernail come out back. No one push my knife cold. But what to do? What to do, peeps? You need some this. Eat tonight, so then about. Go and peel the breadfruit. Now peel the breadfruit until the fish ready. Now peel the breadfruit. Oh, see the sun going down. Yeah, I can't see the sun for around so. But the sun is almost going down, peeps. Yeah. And that tree the other day, just the other day, that tree, they leaf them, all the leaf them up at top. They stay like them on here. I look on them now. No leaf almost up at top because you go on and eat them off. And this is medicine, as I tell you now. This is medicine. You get me, say, peeps? This is noni. That is good for you. And you go on and eat it. So if you go on and eat it, we can eat it. You go on them. We? Yeah, we can eat the guanas. On it, peeps. Yeah, this is noni tree. See noni, aka duppy sauce. That one here spoil. Yeah, but then this green, this soon ripe. You can pick it. You can pick it or pick it up. I like this. I can pick them, pick it and put it to drain. Hey, look, and take a teaspoon of it every day. See all one, yeah. Oh, then look here. Yeah. See, that is noni peeps, aka duppy sauce. They call it duppy soursop. They have a soursop look, but they look more uglier than soursop, so they say duppy soursop. Yes, peeps. Yeah. I'm showing you in my backyard. In my backyard, look. Meanwhile, fish are gonna roast. Showing you in my backyard, look. You see there? On it. The breeze are blowing so hard. In my backyard, look, peeps. That is a lake. Like a drone may fly. These peeps. Yeah, this is my see a duck over there. See a sun duck over there, peeps. Yeah, I'm showing you duck them. I got the one I use, I can zoom in on the duck them. Good. Yeah. Sun duck, whatever them call him. A pan duck or something like that. One thing with the iPhone, you can zoom, but not enough. But I don't want a Samsung. Samsung could have zoom and bring it nearer, but I still don't want a Samsung phone. I prefer iPhone, more security. Yeah. One time, that's the one I used to have more to go on up in the daytime and the evening time. So one of them there. But I can see him, peeps, see him there. Right, that's all. So that is a view of my backyard. This is a view of my backyard. And see moon, the peeps, look how early it is on the moon in the sky. Are you serious, eh? Yeah, see moon there. There's the moon. That's the moon, peeps. And then when I zoom, you have to learn to hold it steady. When I zoom, you have to hold the camera steady. So let me put it down and set my zoom. No more. The moon. So moon, the peeps. That's the moon. That's the moon. Moon look actually, the person zoom in by the moon and the moon actually look round. Oh God. It's a kill time because more breadfruit for roast. Number one for breadfruit with fish. Not chat foolishness. Fish roast. I need for the fish to roast quickly. Turn it because you know I want to burn up at the same time. Turn. Let me get a turn before it burn. And give a couple more minutes because yeah, a couple more minutes. Yes, babes. Give it a couple more minutes. Fold. Don't go too far when I get the breadfruit skin. Here, myself a run. See I get breadfruit skin. Probably somebody getting something around there, so yes, peeps. As I say, this is your man, hold the fire 777. And if it's the first time tuning into the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. And babes, please, if you watch a video, just press like, no? I mean, it is not that hard to press the like button. Just press the like button, please. Come see it. Sometimes when I phone watch a video, I have 100%, it does say 50% of the video. And I mean, if I press 50 likes, that do a big difference to my channel. You get me I say? Just, if 50 on watch, I want to press 50 like, I appreciate that. And when you press the like button, trust me, as I say all the time, peeps, you don't have to enter your credit card information. It is free of charge. No need to enter your credit card information. Nothing like that, no scamming. Just press the like button. Press the like. See, you see like a thumb, what I call a like is like, it's like a thumbs up there. Yeah. It's like a thumbs up. Just press it, please, and thanks. Yeah man, thanks. Thanks to do that. Thanks. Anyway peeps, stick and stay. Don't run away. So yes peeps, right about now, and every time I put on my tripod now, I look on the breeze blowing. Now, I am going to peel this brushy. So I'm going to use a pot like over the outside. I'm going to use a pot. Peel it with enough. You see the angle. And won't mess up. Nothing. Let me use one plate. I want dish rather to mess up it. Yeah, so I'm bringing napkin. Breadfruit black as you know. The napkin are almost done. Let's bring it outside. Come chicken. We got food to eat. It is yellow art. It is yellow art. What it is. Oh, peeps, and yes, we find it to make a piece of rough out of the part that attached to the mic. I found it. So I'm going to say we can fix it back. Because we need to use the other phone to record the one that I'm currently using. That's why I love when you come on to gadgets, I don't like have one nor some. Because just like come buy the mic here, you should have buy one more. I'm going to buy one more nice fish I put up. I may have one GoPro, so I never need one more GoPro. Because anything can happen. And then you can't record. I want to immediate record from my personal phone. See on griller. That's much grill there, nice stove. Grill there. Another grill I'm used to use first. I put that down in the stove so I don't get messed up and I leave it out here. Yes, peeps. So I love to have more than one gadget when they come on the gadgets. Just like from one iPhone 16. It's like every day I want something different. One iPhone 16 too, but yeah, I use that to record. Yeah, because I can zoom even more. Even though I don't really zoom to that still, I record too, but then I use that more to record. And then I not go on anymore. I mean, should I go on and I go on a bigger drone. I go on to a bigger drone too. The drone that I had a bigger drone before. I have a Maverick Air 2 before. But then, I lost connection over the sea. So I go way out over the sea and lose connection because I turn my back to it. And end up losing it. So, I buy a little one. A Maverick Mini 3. Still I don't need a bigger drone, but that can stay for now. I don't need like a GoPro. Because Because even with this breeze blowing, it's true that I can't really manage the breeze like this. It's a nice drone, but when the breeze is extremely hard, can't manage it. My gear would have managed it better. Breadfruit. What am I putting on the salon? What if I them out the subjects? Then camera. Again. Ah. Yo. Tips. Oh Lord, today is not my day. So, hopefully no mash up. I'm missing out. Jeez. Receiver settings. Alright. Well, still recording it. Ben. And I say, yo, today is not my day. Peeps. Them sitting drop again. Okay? So I hope put it lower, peeps. Hope it a record. Oh, shit. It's sitting bend. Peeps, no one saw I go on. Put it low now. Can't believe it's sitting, there's something dropped twice. Because the breeze are blow hard, so you know, peeps. The breeze is blowing so hard. So hopefully I'm getting a good feedback. But not do the other one because I can't afford for two of them damage. Yeah, I think that took alright now. Breeze not gonna blow down that. Jeez, peeps. It's not stress me out today, peeps. Stress me out bad. Stress me out bad. Shun, peeps. Peeps. Okay. See? This going on the phone, it bend. So it can slide out like that. See? So if you come out, I'm gonna want to straighten it and then I'm gonna mess up even more. Oh boy. So you just put it in like this. Slide it in like that. So to show me say now connect, so alright. That tape. Hopefully it's taping. Because normally even when you drop on so, then I put it back in the case. If you connect back because you should, oh, I guess it's alright. Look like it's alright. Yeah, hopefully it's taping. It's recording. Today is not my day, peeps. Probably tomorrow. Can you imagine? I mean, probably someone you know work all for money, but $300 US. Just call it $350 US. Plus for the shipping and handling. So roughly to run nearly $400 US. $400 US. Oh boy. Oh boy. Such is life, eh, peeps?
I'm there about up the fish. Oh my god. Pay too much attention to the mic and must have bun up the fish. I have one full mic and I drop a mash up. I buy one good one now. Cause the mic I buy first no peeps. I didn't even pay $30 US. I pay about $27 US fee. But does that it don't sound as good as this one. And now I bought a good one. I not even do 3 videos with it yet. I mash up here already. That stressed me out. That has stressed me out. Trust me. That's stressing me out. Because money don't grow up on tree. Oh boy. Trust me, I did a video and I feel different today. Because when something not so right, I mess with my head. But anyhow, forget about that. So yes peeps, fish almost ready. The fish almost ready, to heck with the mic. I used to do videos before I have a mic done. So sometimes you just stick with it what you have, but just because other people say they not get me need a mic. So that's why I go get a mic. Which is you do need a mic. I get a mic because other people are complaining say the breeze and not hearing and enough time I listen and show I listen to over, especially I do it like outdoor, it don't sound so good neither without the mic. Yeah. So I'm test that one here if you're ready yet. Let me test that one here if you're ready yet. Cause a whole lot of things in it still you know, so no it'll take like a time. And the thing about if you roast if I snap on my roast, it's far easier. But my mind says I give it a little more time. I follow my mind. No pull out yet. My mind says I give it a little more time. My mind says I should give it a little more time. So I follow my mind. Let me give it a little more time. So anyway peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Yes peeps, so it's time. Yeah. I think the breeze are gonna blow down this again. No, from yes so. Can't mash up no more. Don't mash up already. I'm sure. Uh-huh. Yes peeps. So test the fish one more time. Supposed to ready now. You're ready now. We gonna get along tonight. Uh-huh. I'm a feel say fire not enough. Sitting here roast. Most ready now. Let me see now. Just that one here. Yes, this one peeps. Put me on do it over fire for my movie from over fire. Whew. Let me see what I go on tonight peeps. As I say peeps, my first time roasting barracuda. Normally I would. So you see me all tear up here. So you know you go. You know you go. So if you're not ready, you better ready. Them fly seriously. You don't know, I don't know why, or somebody tell me, why fly follow fish more than chicken and any other meat? Because this is hot and as soon as me open it, fly start fly around it. Me not understand that, me not get it. Wow. Let me see. Yeah, ready? I said, no, yeah, I'm not sure now. I'm not sure now. What a go on, pan, what a go on. Woo! I'm sure what go on. Look on that. Look at that. Mm-mm. I don't know, this is strange. I don't know how fly. Breeze a blow so hard and fly from follow the fish. Yeah. The peeps so nice. So now, there you go. Deal with it with some brush, eh? With my roast breadfruit. So this is my I would say this is my table and everything. Yeah. One thing that is me hate fly. So I think I'm gonna work with them out here. Put that there so. I hate flies. Yeah. Put up some breadfruit there. The breadfruit there. Yeah. Hey. If I look at bread pan internet, but I must bread and sitting there and eat. Bread and bean. And when in taste him run and him come back and in taste it. That's what I feel right now. I'm sure I run on the apartment and come back. It's sweet though. I tell you. It's so sweet. It's too sweet. I feel like crying now. Sorry I can't share it now. But this is too sweet. Taste the pepper in it, people. Pepper hot. It is so sweet, peeps. So very sweet. Anyway, the video is supposed to long. I'm supposed to end it now. This is so sweet, oh. I tell you. Outdoor cooking. Cooking on the stove, it never tastes so good yet. Oh Lord. Just have to put my foot in it. It tastes like I put all 10 toes in it. I'm not exaggerating, people, trust me. The okra and the season them, Jamaican season them, have a buzz, may I tell you. One in name of Spur Tree Hill, and I think the other one they use if I know Walker's Wood jerk, a Boston jerk. I use Boston jerk and I use Walker's Wood jerk. Yeah. And that one in name Spur Tree jerk season too. Yeah. But they're nice. And don't forget about Grace spunky noodle. Have a buzz, peeps. So anyway, peeps, thank you all for watching, for liking, for sharing, for commenting and subscribing. And as I said, please don't watch the video, please like up the video. Please like up the video. Yeah. So until next video, big up on yourself. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do what you love, and do it the best of your ability. Peace out.